Surfshark Black Friday 2025 Price Comparison and Ultimate Value. The Surfshark Black Friday deal for 2025 is currently the most aggressive pricing strategy in the premium VPN market, delivering a massive discount that positions it as the best value choice, especially for users who need a full security suite. 1. The core Black Friday deal explained. The official 2025 Black Friday offer is focused on the 2-year plan, which receives the highest discount and includes 3 extra months for free. This deal is automatically applied when you click the promotional link, meaning no coupon code is necessary. The headline price for this long-term commitment is as low as $1.69 per month, delivering savings of up to 89% off the standard monthly rate. Here's the price breakdown for the 3 long-term plans during this Black Friday sale. The Surfshark Starter Plan, which includes the fast VPN service and ad or malware blocking, is priced at an effective rate of just $1.69 per month for the 24-month commitment plus the bonus months. This is a total upfront cost of approximately $45.63. The Surfshark One plan, which is the most popular choice, bundles the VPN with antivirus, private search, and alert for identity monitoring. This complete security package is available for a highly competitive price of $1.99 per month. The top-tier Surfshark One Plus plan, which adds the Incogni automated data removal service to the bundle, is available for $4.19 per month. 2. The Unmatched Value Proposition. The reason Surfshark's Black Friday deal stands out from its competitors is its unlimited simultaneous connections policy. At $1.69 per month, no other premium VPN provider allows you to protect every device in your household and every device your family owns under a single subscription. For only 30 cents more per month than the basic VPN, upgrading to the Surfshark One plan at $1.99 per month provides the full security suite, making it the best overall value for complete digital protection, including antivirus, this holiday season. This value proposition is difficult for any other major provider to match. 3. Price comparison against competitors. When directly compared to its main rivals for their respective long-term Black Friday deals, Surfshark offers the lowest entry price. NordVPN, while often cited as the fastest overall VPN, has its long-term basic plan starting at around $2.99 per month, which is $1 more than Surfshark's equivalent plan. Proton VPN, the privacy champion, has its paid plan starting at approximately $2.49 per month for its Black Friday promotion. Surfshark is therefore the clear winner for users prioritizing the lowest cost per month and the ability to connect an unlimited number of devices. 4. Final verdict for Black Friday 2025. The Surfshark Black Friday deal is the best budget-friendly premium VPN choice of 2025. It successfully undercuts the competition, especially with its feature-rich Surfshark One bundle, while removing the limitation on device count. If you need robust protection for multiple users and devices at the lowest possible cost, securing the Surfshark Starter Plan at $1.69 per month or the Surfshark One plan at $1.99 per month this Black Friday is the financially smartest decision you can make. The deal is currently live and will run until Cyber Monday, December 2nd, 2025. Be sure to click the link in the description to secure this maximum discount before the price increases.